Hello everybody, today I would like to share with you this pretty early, clear, miniature light set. This particular set here has 50 miniature lights in it, and they are in series obviously, so about 2.5 volts per bulb. Now the set is, like I said, pretty early in design. First of all, you'll notice that the wire is quite thick, but if we compare it to a set of today, you can see the wires are pretty thick as well. However, this older set is a lot thicker than the modern set here. Another thing you will notice is as I take these apart, we do have a very nice long cord here to connect to the outlet, but you will notice these lights are in a complete circular set. You can see, unlike the sets that we have today, which have a plug on the end because they're, one straight set, this particular set is a big circle, just like the old C6 incandescent sets. And the idea was, you'd circle it around your tree, and you wouldn't need it to be in a straight line because you're not going to decorate with it in that manner. And being on a circular tree, that's okay. A tree is, circular, so this just goes around it without any problems. Of course, if you're trying to string this on your house, for example, of course, it'd be a little bit harder because you can't add a set to the end, and the bulbs like to match up right next to each other because, well, it's not really designed to be used in that way. So, let me set down these other ones here. We'll take a look at one individual bulb. So, pretty basic bulb, similar to what we have today. Of course, it is the plug in and out, but a little bit different in design. You can see there's two separate plugs inside, and we just push the bulb in that way. Simple. We also have this little ring down here at the bottom, which you can pull down, put it on a branch, for example, and then push the ring back up so that it'll hold it there on the tree's branch. So it's definitely made for a Christmas tree and not really any other application. Of course, you can use it for a wide range of different applications, but it's more directed towards being used on a Christmas tree. Now, as you can tell, this design of how it plugs in is a little different than what we have today. In this more modern set, you can see the wires just get pushed off to the side instead of each individual rod coming out, as you can see with this particular set. So, let's go ahead and take a look at the plug here. We can see RIKEN right there, and I don't know if that's the actual brand or just the company in Japan that manufactured this particular set. We can plug another set into the end of this outlet, but again, there's no plug at the direct end of the set because again, it's in a big loop. Now, comparing this to other sets that I have, it is similar to an early GE set of the same type that I do have with original box. So I wonder if this set was made by GE or not. Now, this is the only sticker that's on it, and it says 40, so I don't really know what that means or stands for. There's something there in red or orange. Don't really know what that means either. But let's go ahead and plug it in. And it's just your standard miniature light set that you see in stores today. The bulbs aren't really anything different. Of course, they're manufactured ever so slightly different, but they're still the same type and design, as you can see. We'll turn the main light back on so we can focus on these a little bit better. Overall, a really nice early miniature series light set. Just a really cool early simple design. This particular bulb here is quite dim, and this one's a bit brighter. Of course, it all depends on the voltage of the bulb itself. But a very cool, very early and old miniature light set. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and also please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.